Is your guys? How are you all, guys and girls? Really fun and good to see you over here on this cool page we made. Yes, so basically, I just want to do like a quick cover about the things that we're going to do on our VIP group. Okay, so first of all, a lot of people send me some DMs and tell me, hey, D, why you do that? Like, why you don't continue with the Facebook group of that? So, basically, honestly, also, the Facebook group is really cool, but there's two reasons we cannot continue use it so much. The first thing, it's we have a lot of data that we give to Facebook, and it's also good. So API calls, paydays, all of these things that if Facebook will know that we know, it doesn't so good. It will can cause all sorts of issues. This is the first reason. And in Tribe to be closed group, so only who will I give the access will get access. Also about really help each one of you. It's really hard to help almost 3,000 people, 2,800. It's a lot of people. So I want to help each one of you individually and to make sure you will success and not to comment to your post. It's okay. This is nice. But from what I understand, you need much more than that. And this is open this group, okay, the Jarvee group. It's mostly for people who have a few accounts on Java, at least 5, 10. They have an agency or they want to create their agency. They are not on the start point, they are a bit advanced point, okay, or even experts that I can also share you few important and new stuff. Okay, but if you just have one account or two accounts, it's like nice and like from the side, so it's less for you, okay? Because I wanted to get a positive ROI on this investment and I want really to help you. So this is what I think. Why must join our group? All of these things over here, special techniques, right settings, updates, weekly lives. You will be in the right environment. It's really, really important. I will also update you when Instagram is done, when Jarvee has a new update, what you need to do. What is all these updates are saying, right? We only see this kind of updates on the tool and we don't really understand what actually what they want from us, sorry. 24/7 support, yes, I will answer on 24/7 base. It's my time as well, but basically I will answer every day, okay? Weekends maybe will be a bit off, yes, Friday and Saturday, but mostly I will also already answer. Special price for proxies and VPS and many more cool things. Also Telegram channel for special updates. IG is down. A new update of Jarvee. New things, okay? We get the updates over there. Really cool things. Also, if you need one-on-one with me, you will get discount as well. Okay, and I do limit that only for one day. The price and the access. If you want to know what people think about me, you can read these testimonials. You can go to Jarvee group and you can even post something. What do you think about it? Did she help you? Feel free with that. I'm sure you will get positive answers. You can read about me, who I am, what I do, and why I think I can help you. And I'm pretty sure I can help you. And you have a few FAQ over here, and you can also read that. And basically, I think that's it. I don't want to make it too long. This is the main things. If you really want to success with Java in 2020, so take this. It's monthly payment. It's not it's a subscription with PayPal. If you don't happy after 1 month, all good. You won't continue. Um, they need to give you enough value, so we will cover and you will get much more than this amount. You spend $97. And like I said, it's only for 15 people, and because I want to really take care of each one of you and make sure you will success. That's it, guys. Thanks a lot. Hope to see you inside. After you will pay, you will get an email by 24 hours with your login and with the Telegram group. So see you inside. Goodbye.